bad boy is taking 400 negative. I'm gonna show you how we set this up. So I already have my ground connected. Take this off. Make sure the panel's good. All right. Now we get our single hose, single point hose. Oh. I throw it over my shoulder and pull a little bit so I have more slack. And when I get to the single point, I don't have to pull more. So I already have all the slack that I need. I just angle it where I want it. Pretty much. Right there. There we go. On. And now we pump 400 negative. There's the line, there's the ground. Here's the trigger. And I'll pump this till it gets to 400, set it off, and I'll disconnect.